A rainy morning. My name is Dara. One Monday morning, I wake up early and hear the sound of rain. I look out the window and see dark clouds in the sky. The rain is falling gently, and the air feels cool and fresh. My mother says, "Don't forget your umbrella." I put on my raincoat, take my umbrella, and wear my waterproof boots. My father drives me to school because the roads are wet. When we arrive at school, many students are carrying colorful umbrellas. Some students wear raincoats, and others wear boots. Everyone walks carefully because the ground is slippery. Our teacher, Ms. Lena, welcomes us with a warm smile. She says, "Good morning." Even on a rainy day, we can still have a wonderful day at school. In English class, we learn new words about the weather. We practice saying words like rain, cloud, umbrella, thunder, lightning, and raincoat. Then we read a short story together. During the break, we cannot play outside because it is still raining. Instead, we stay in the classroom. We play word games, draw pictures, and sing English songs. Everyone laughs and enjoys the activities. At lunchtime, I sit with my friend Tom. We eat our lunch and watch the rain through the classroom window. Tom says he likes rainy days because the weather is cool. I agree with him. In the afternoon, the rain becomes lighter. Before we go home, the clouds begin to disappear, and a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. All the students look outside and smile. When I arrive home, I tell my parents about my happy day at school. Although it was rainy, I learned many new words, had fun with my friends, and enjoyed every moment. A rainy morning can still be a wonderful day when we learn, smile, and spend time with good friends.